And this is a follow-up here, final look and start of this latest Toro Recycler 22-inch SmartStow feature. It's got the 7.25 gross torque, 190cc engine, Briggs & Stratton, mow and stow model. Cleaned this up, it was already pretty clean. And it looks really nice. That blade was really banged up. I'll show that underneath. Side area looks great. No real fix for these cracked front wheels. This cover was a little bit loose on here. Decorative cover, kind of tighten those screws on there. Model 20339, and this is a 2016 model. And it's got a few scratches on it, nothing major. There's one right there. A little ding here. And this is the one where the muffler cage was banged up. And that's the other side of the cracked wheel I was showing, which it got dropped. I'm thinking maybe when it was in the SmartStow position it got knocked down, and or some other way where he had hit that front end pretty hard. Don't see any other damage underneath. Very small yard they had, moving sale, and you can see that muffler cage is banged up. Just left it as is. And I'll put in a video here of this blade. It was pretty beat up. Looked like he'd been mowing rocks with this. But it cleaned up really well underneath. And we're going to turn this carburetor side up and give us a better view of this. Underneath this lawnmower, it looks really good. Just the blade looks beat up. Let's get the blade tool on here and let's get this off. And it took a little effort. We got this loose, had put both hands on here. Blade's never been off, I'm sure. Oh wow. Blade's chewed up. Sure is. We'll do the best we can to straighten this out, but he's definitely been eating some rocks with this. Other than that, it looks really good underneath. Blow some of this trash out. This blade is now in balance. It's a little bit heavy on this side, so I took a little bit of metal off. Let's put an edge on here and check for it being in balance. This blade's a little chewed up, but it'll still be good to use. This end was a little bit on the heavy side. To get it in balance, took a little bit of metal off the back. Cleaned this out underneath, ready to put the Toro blade back on. Gearbox, everything looks really clean. Just a very nice mower with just a shame the wheels are cracked. Let's give this a final start. I actually cut the backyard with this, and it did very nice. And then it rained afterwards, so good timing cutting the grass. But look how nice a job that it did. Not too bad for a front wheel drive mower, and I put it in mulch mode. Let's give it a final start here. And I did also put a new, slightly used air filter in here. This is the one that came out of that trash pick beach lawnmower. They put a new air filter in here, so I put this in this Toro. And this is one that came out of it. It was very heavy, felt like it was wet and just dirty, so this will make it breathe much better. Let me also show you how nice this cleaned up in the back. like a new mower. And you can see the model and serial number much better now too, 20339. And it's cut very nice after sharpening the blade. See how well this is going to start today. Here we go. With it, and it did very nice. Lawnmower. I like these SmartStow. Also had replaced that very wet air filter too.